charge port on this is dirty or is bad or something, because it's not picking up all the time. So I'm gonna clean it. Some alcohol right here. It's a little hard, a little soft. I don't know if there's a charge port itself or it is dirty. We're gonna find out. This is how you could clean your charge port, your speakers down here. Some alcohol. 99. If not 99, you're putting water in your phone. Don't put water in your phone. Mine's 99. Very little water, not much at all. I could turn this on and still do this. I'll try it now. I got Face ID on this. It's a Chinese phone. 128. Maybe that was it. Maybe it was dirty because it came right on. Right back.